What's going on, guys? mzbrothers back at you with another video. In the previous video we took these two scooters out for the test ride. Now in previous videos before that we took this one, and this one wasn't running but this one was. We now have them both running. We have the top speed runs and everything. But now in this video we're going to go ahead and tear them down, clean them up, basically bring them back to factory specs. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to start by doing is the seat, and then we're going to go to the handlebars and basically just work our way down. This seat will be disposed of. That was already loose. We were going to wreck this. Maybe that's why it was pulling to the left.
Definitely.
Oh no, wait, it was pulling to the right.
Right.
Could be why. Alright, here is the point where we really have to be careful because there is a series of ball bearings in here that we can't lose. So here's those ball bearings. We can't lose those ball bearings, nor can we destroy this. We'll also repack that with grease as far as reassembly. If we take a close look at this, right here it is bent. So, where we can fix that, more than likely not going to fix that. Probably going to have to end up going online and see if if I can find a new one.
Alright everybody, that's going to do it for this video. It's getting rather late actually. We started pretty late and it actually took us a little longer than expected. As you see though, this is what we started with today, and now we disassembled the whole thing pretty much, but we got to the point where we wanted to, because we're pretty much at the point where we can, polish everything up, clean everything up. But like I said, we started from the seat, we just worked away from the handlebars and just basically tore it all apart from down. But in the next video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to continue to tear it down, and then we're just going to give it a clean up and then finish putting it all back together. So please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And stay tuned for the next video of us putting it all back together.